Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to disable the duet option on TikTok. So if you want to prevent from people from being able to react or do duets with your content, or maybe you want to do the opposite and actually enable duets on TikTok, you could do either option with today's tutorial. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So all you have to do is navigate to your TikTok profile page. If you're unsure of how to get to this page, just select the profile button at the bottom right, and then proceed to select the hamburger icon at the top right. Left click on that, and then select settings and privacy at the bottom. Now on the left side, underneath count, select the privacy button. Underneath interactions, select where it says duet. Left click on that, and where it says allow duet from, click inside of here, and you can select only you. That'll disable it. Otherwise, if you want to enable it, you can select everyone, or you can set it to only be with people you have as friends on TikTok. Basically, people that you have followed who have also followed you back. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys, on how to do that. And as always, once you're done, just click on the little X, and that's all you have to do. So as always, thank you for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.